What if we are all hypocrites? The creator of the heavens and the earth, Allah, honored mankind by making us his representative on earth. The refusal of Satan to bow before the creation of Adam led to his eternal damnation. The significance of mankind is evident in this very act, where angels were commanded to bow before us. If Allah had wanted only worship and devotion, he could have relied solely on the angels, who are free from worldly desires and continuously engaged in worship. The purpose of human creation was not solely for worship, but to test man's ability to balance his natural desires with his responsibilities towards the divine and his fellow beings. If Allah had only wanted our worship, he would have freed us from these desires, and our time would have been spent solely in his remembrance and praise. Today, man is constantly consumed by worry and anxiety, striving for worldly gains. We often disregard the rights of others in our quest for comfort and luxury. What we project is seldom what we truly are. We lack respect for the dignity of others and show little compassion. We consider overcoming obstacles in our path to achieve our goals as our fundamental right, regardless of whether it is morally correct or not. The irony is that we insist on calling ourselves Muslims, but seldom find the time to fulfill our obligations towards Allah and our fellow beings. Yet there are occasions when we try to portray ourselves as good and virtuous Muslims, contrary to our usual attitudes and thoughts. During the month of Muharram, we discuss the martyrdom of Imam Hussein and pay tribute to his sacrifices. We organize seminars and write articles on the event of Karbala. We admire his spirit of jihad and encourage others to adopt the same. We advocate standing up to oppressive rulers and speaking the truth. Similarly, during Ramadan, we become devout Muslims and true warriors for 30 days. Regardless of how we have lived the rest of the year, we go above and beyond to display our piety and devotion. We are so engrossed in our own show of faith that we seldom consider the impact on those less fortunate around us. Our extravagant iftar spreads and shopping sprees may incite envy and sadness in those who cannot afford such luxuries. On Eid, we indulge in excessive shopping for our children, but seldom think about the countless children in our society who spend the entire year barefoot and in tattered clothes. We never consider reducing our own extravagance to provide for a child who has not been able to enjoy such luxuries throughout the year. During the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah, we pontificate about the importance and philosophy of sacrifice. We compete in buying the most expensive animals for sacrifice, and then proudly display them in our neighborhoods, but we show little consideration for the poor and less fortunate among us. In conclusion, it seems we are often more concerned with the appearance of piety and virtue than with genuinely living according to the principles of our faith. We need to rethink our priorities and values and strive to become better Muslims not just in appearance, but in our hearts and actions. This is the true challenge and